Hello, everybody. We're going to dive in and talk about the December specials and give you a few updates for this month because some things have changed since my video yesterday. doTERRA likes to keep us on our toes. We're going to dive in and talk about what's happening in December and all of the promotions for this month. And there's a lot. So we have the free frankincense promo with a 200 PV order. We've got free balsam fir is the product of the month with the ornament. Cardamom's 10% off, and we've got the holiday items. So we're going to dive in. First off, free frank. We are so grateful doTERRA brought this back for us. This is a $93 retail value oil. That's really amazing that we have this on hand. And this is a great one that affects every single system in the body, from healthy cells, digestion, musculoskeletal, nervous system. This is when in doubt, pull frank out. We can use this oil to help us. It's going to help with skin and healthy immune support and nervous system function. And there's a couple diffuser blends that you can screenshot and have on hand to use your free frank. So this is the time of year when we stock up any 200-point order, and you're going to get this if you place two 200 PV orders, you get two frankincenses. So this is where you want to split your orders up into two instead of doing one 400 PV order. That's a little tip to maximize the savings. The free product of the month is balsam fir. You also get a really beautiful ornament with this. This is a collector's ornament that doTERRA has. They just do it this time of year in December. And this is a unicorn oil. So balsam fir is not an oil that we can regularly purchase. This helps to be very grounding. It's great for creating a nice energizing environment. The fir oils are really good for discomfort, aches, anything painful. You can put it on muscles and joints. You can use it in the bath. And there's a couple fun diffuser blends for you to try this one out. I'm really excited. I love the unicorn oils, the ones that we can't always purchase. So this is a special one. I've been wanting to add this one to my collection. I saw other different markets that had this, and I'm excited that we can get it here in the US. Cardamom is your oil that's 10% off this month. This is really great for gastrointestinal health, any occasional digestive issues, upset tummy, gas, bloat, any discomfort. This is a great one. You can take it internally, you can use it topically. I actually love to add a drop of cardamom and a drop of lavender essential oil to my hot chocolate. It's really yummy. I've got some videos on YouTube of how to do that, but I love the lavender cardamom hot chocolate. But you can cook with this, bake with this, pop it in your diffuser, take it internally. And then we have the holiday products. I did an in-depth guide on the holiday products yesterday. So check out that video, or you can go back on YouTube and find that as we go through all of those. But these are now available. They just went live. They're while supplies last. They will sell out. A lot of them will. So you want to snag your orders early. And then doTERRA gave a surprise today. The Pilot diffuser is back. This is one that has been out of stock for a while now. This is our travel diffuser. I love this diffuser. It's rechargeable, so you can charge it up and then take it with you. Really pumped that this is back, so you'll see that one as well. And then we were told that these permanent products would be available today, but we found out today that the launch date got pushed back. I'm guessing this has something to do with the season that we're all in right now. So I don't know when these will become available. I know I shared about it yesterday. I'm so sorry. I lied to you. I didn't mean to, but we didn't have all the information, and doTERRA does like to keep us on our toes. So I don't know when these will become available, but when they do, you'll be the first ones to find out, and we will share with you. How you want to maximize today's savings. You want to do a loyalty order. If you already have a loyalty order going, just click edit order. You can do this when you log into your doTERRA account or on the doTERRA shop app. If you haven't done a loyalty order yet, what are you waiting for? This is a great time to do it. You're going to click create new loyalty order, create new LRP. What this does is you can see here, when you do a loyalty order, you get 100% of your shipping back in points, 10 to 30% of your order back in points. And this is how you get the free product of the month, that balsam fir that we love and the ornament. And you're going to get your free frank. So the freebies will just automatically pop up there for you. And you get points when you do a loyalty order on your shipping and on your products. I cashed in 275 points today with my order, which is like $275 worth of product for free. And I got my frankincense and I got my balsam fir and the ornament. I got all the things. So doing a loyalty order is the best way to save and maximize your orders. If you don't have an account with doTERRA already, reach out to me. I would love to help you get started. doTERRA has created a special kit, starter kit, just for this month for anybody. And this is limited. So this is our mind and mood kit for emotional support. It's got our balance oil, the adaptive capsules and roller, the balance deodorant in a cute little bag. It's got the loose diffuser, which is awesome for that aromatic support, cleansing and purifying, emotional support. And then it also comes with peppermint, clove, the Northern Escape oil that we can't buy, which is really special, and lemon oil. This is $160. Typically, you have to pay a $35 membership fee to get started, just like a Sam's Club, and you get that free. It's all bundled together. So reach out to me if I can help and serve with that. Or you could grab my favorite, which is the Healthy Essentials Kit. This is our top 10 oils in the big bottles. So there's about 250 drops in each bottle and a diffuser. This is $249. You will also get your free frankincense oil with this kit, which is really cool. So you can double up on the frankincense. You're going to want it. We use it in all the things. And we do a lot. So we have a VIP exclusive Facebook group for people that get started with us. I share a lot of education and support. We teach continuing education classes once a week, and we really want people to feel comfortable. You also get a one-on-one call with me. I hop on the phone with you and walk you through exactly how to use your new oils. Lots of education and support. We're not going to let those sit on a shelf. We're going to help you to put those to work for you and your family to maximize your health. And I have an upcoming class coming up, how to use the Ancient Oils Masterclass. If you're in my oils community, this is a team perk for you. This is a free class. Everything is in our exclusive Facebook group. If you're not, what I'm doing is something that I have not done before. I'm opening up my exclusive special master classes to where you can participate. You can purchase a ticket. It's $10. That's going to include a 36-page ebook with recipes and tools, exactly how to use these oils. I'll post the link above this video for you. But this is Thursday, December 3rd, 11 a.m. Central Time. You can also get the link for the replay. So if you miss the class, I'll send a replay out. But honestly, it's worth the $10 just to get the ebook. There's some things that I can't talk about on a public platform with you due to compliance. So I can't talk about it in a private webinar safe space. So this is where we're going to dive even deeper, show you how to maximize these and get you an ebook with recipes and tools and all of the support there. So that's coming up, and you'll want to snag your ticket for that. I'm limiting it to 25 tickets because I want it to be a small, intimate setting. It's a Zoom meeting where people can ask questions and get support. So I'm really, really excited about this. Haven't done it before. Wanted to do something for support. And those are the specials. If you have any questions, reach out. If I can help you get started with the oils, reach out, comment below, and have a happy December. Take care. Bye.